today we are doing a kind of clean with me slash a small vlog, I guess. It's mainly gonna be focused on me trying to get this house clean because we have a big mess. This weekend we were doing a lot of stuff, so we didn't really get to clean. So I decided today to film and show you me cleaning, right? That's what we're doing. Other than that, I don't really have anything planned today. I went to pick up groceries. You already saw my first clip. I already made my coffee. I don't even know where I left it. I want to try to get the tripod because I feel like it's easier to vlog with the tripod. But here's my coffee. I'm trying out this new coffee because the other one was almost out, so it's like, let me just get a new one. It is I'm not even gonna try to say that. It's cold brew Brazilian coffee. Is a medium to dark roast and it's unsweetened. I like it. It's not that strong. And also I am trying a new milk. I like Planet Oat. So I don't drink milk. I'm not a big milk drinker, but I found Planet Oat and I really like it. Like, I will put this on cereals, on my coffee. I use it more than regular milk. I don't like regular milk, but I got the extra creamy, and I feel like it makes a really big difference in my coffee. So I'm gonna keep trying that to see if I like it. If not, I'll just go back to the regular one. Forgot to close the refrigerator. Let's see. So let me set up my camera on the table so I can show you what I got. All right, so let me show you what I got. Let me get the So one thing about the place that we live is that our parking lot is like far away from our building. So bringing groceries is such a task. So for our housewarming party, we got this little thing right here that we can just put our groceries in and we don't have to do more than one trip. So that's really handy. So let me start with the grocery. Chips. Wait, yogurts. We ran out of ketchup, so we got ketchup. We also ran out of hot sauce, so we have hot sauce. We're making pozole, so we got some. How many? I heard something. I think it was the cats. Then I got these type of Cokes. I drink a lot of Coke, which I know I need to stop. But these were on sale. There were like 4 packs of these for $10. So I got 4 of those. Heavy whipping cream for recipes. Gallon of milk for the kids. Hershey's chocolate milk for my kids. These are pork chops. We got cilantro. We got queso milk. We're making like kind of chipotle and Moe's. Is it Moe's bowl? So we needed some queso. I got a lot of Lunchables. Usually my son only eats these for his school lunch. So I got 8, I think, just to have throughout the week, and they were on sale. So stocked up on those. Sour cream. I got some steaks for the bowls. I got, I think, 3 packs of these. Also, these are for my son's lunches. My middle one and my youngest one, they eat their school lunch, but he wants me to pack him lunch, so it's usually a Lunchable, this, and some type of like chip or cookie. We got 2 big onions, some tomatoes, chocolate chip cookies, some quick rice just for the bowl so we don't have to do all the extra steps. Lastly, my non-healthy adult drinks, which are just edibles. I'm gonna show you the counter so you can see what we're working with because we have a lot of cleaning to do. Oh, tortilla chips. So this is what we're working with. I have to put all the stuff in the refrigerator, clean the refrigerator because it's kind of messy. Let me show you the house right now, how it looks. Always pretty clean, you know. It's just stuff that needs to be put away and kind of like fluff the pillows, clean the table, put a few dishes that are in the sink and the dishwasher, and then mop and broom. And upstairs is just something else. I'll show you upstairs when we get up there.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close.
Hey guys, so I am going to finish cleaning downstairs. After that, I am going to go pick up my son and probably my other 2 kids at school. Ooh, I look a mess. My son just called me and said he's not feeling great, that his tummy is hurting. So I'm gonna pick him up, and since the school is like around 20 minutes from the house, I'm just gonna get my other 2 kids at the same time, just so I don't have to go back, because I'm gonna go around 12 and they get out like at 2. So I'm just gonna pick them all up, and then, but before I do that, I'm just gonna finish cleaning down here, so when they come I can just go upstairs and start cleaning upstairs.
But still we get nearer. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, parts of me were made from loving you. Best part.
And there goes my cat. I swear he doesn't do it. Never mind. I'm not gonna lie. She does do this a lot, but we try to get her off the counter as much as we can. But she still jumps on it. So I don't know. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Parts of me were made from loving you. I never used to care about me. I always put the other half first. You showed me that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way, I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. And I won't ever put you down. Oh, my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. It wasn't that long and it was mostly just cleaning. But if you can please subscribe and then also comment and like this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.